After a long anticipated week, the Federal Reserve just released their decision on what's happening with interest rates, and it's not looking too great. I'm going to explain why this is bad. Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. Make sure to like, subscribe, and of course set alerts. You don't want to miss anything. The Federal Reserve announced that they are going to raise interest rates 75 BPS. And throughout 2022, the Federal Reserve continues to increase interest rates. But why are they doing it? The Federal Reserve is increasing interest rates to slow down inflation because they think it's going to help the American economy. But in reality, all it is doing is increasing the cost to borrow money. And who does this impact the most? The underdogs. For example, mortgage rates have almost doubled. When I purchased my home, my rate was 3.125%. Current mortgage rates are approximately 7.3%. But when you go actually apply for a loan, you're probably going to end up paying closer to 9 or 10% because that's the way it works. Now let's talk about how this impacts consumers. For example, you are required to deposit your money into a bank account, especially if you want a loan, you want to get a mortgage, you want to buy a car, heck, even if you want to rent a place. The banks will in turn take your money and loan it out to other entities. Most banks pay an interest rate of 0.01% or 0.04%. Therefore, when they loan your money out, they are making an absolute killing while paying you next to nothing. Yes, that's kind of a Ponzi scheme, basically the definition of one. But good news is the Fed said it's going to slow down raising interest rates next year. But let's take a look at how this is impacting the markets. This is the current crypto market cap, and we're half green, half red. And Bitcoin had a really nice move up from approximately $20,200 support, which we talked about on yesterday's show. But we're still not out of the clear yet. You see that $20,700 area? We need to flip that, sustain it, close above it, and then also retest and flip $21,000. And according to BINGX, the 4-hour is looking a little bit bullish. Cipher also printed that green dot. So it's looking like we're going to continue to head up and retest $21,000. Fingers crossed. While taking a look at the US dollar, we are not looking too terribly sexy here. We are currently trading at approximately $110.47, heading back down into that little channel we created on the show yesterday. Also taking a look at Cipher, it looks like we're heading downward. And again, this is all due to the Federal Reserve and their meeting, plus the rate hike. At this point, when we're talking about inflation, raising rates, I don't see how it's going to help the economy. I don't see how it's going to help Americans. We're literally allowing people with $150,000 pieces of paper to tell us what to do with our money. I believe we are in a recession. Some people don't. But either way, things aren't looking great for me. Is Bitcoin the answer to our problems? I'm not sure. But again, I highly recommend you read Satoshi's white paper. Thank you so much for stopping by. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and set alerts. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Bye-bye.